Isn't this gonna be fun? I'm looking forward to this. To wanna be a guy all over again. What the fuck am I? I didn't know there was someone sadistic enough to make another one of these games. But whoever he is, I'm gonna pwn him! What the fuck happened? Piece of shit game. Game is lagging. What the fuck? Fucking pony, piece of shit game. Ah! What the fuck? This is even worse than I want to be the guy. I'm gonna lose it eventually. No. God damn it! Piece of shit game. Gah! Get slow. Whoa! What the fuck? No, no, no. What the? No. No! Fuck you, Cybin action piece of shit bastard. How was I supposed to know that was there? What the fuck? Damn fucking game. Owned. Whoa. What? Move! Move! What the fuck? Grrr! Fucking hate this game already! I'm already starting to lose it. No comment. Oh, I almost died there. Yay! What? The controls lagged! What the fuck? Why is it my game's getting laggier and laggier every minute I play it? Just trying to find more reasons for me to want to pwn it. No, no. Oh, great. Fucking hate this game! No comment on that either. No. Fucking lag! God damn it! The fuck? At least I want to be the guy who can get past the first screen. This is fucking ridiculous. Oh, great. Yeah. Fall down the hole. Yeah. Die. Kill yourself. Go ahead. Piece of shit. Cat bastard. Oh, yeah. Go ahead and do that. You think that's funny? Ha 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 ha. Not fucking funny! No! God damn it! Fuck you. You know what? Screw it. Fuck this game. I'm fucking done! Have a nice fucking day!